All right. Good day to you. Hopefully you're doing better than I am. I am here at the Salamanca house with another episode. Today we will be talking about the flooring and also the baseboards. We will be talking about why you would want to change your flooring in your existing home. Obviously, there's a difference between wanting to change the flooring of your house and needing to change the flooring of your house. As a reminder, Salamanca is our investment home. Here is how it looked before. And here's how it looks today. Don't mind the extra pieces there. Other than carpet, I think if you change the carpet in your home, you don't necessarily have to change the baseboards. Obviously, the baseboards are the boards that cover up the space, the corner where the wall meets the flooring. If you notice, there is a big space between the wall and the flooring. You want to cover that up just to clean it up. So to clean that up, we will put baseboards, and the baseboards that I've chosen is a certain thickness so that it will cover that space between the wall and the flooring. There's a little bit gap. Please bear in mind that I am not a construction person. I am a computer person. This is how we're going to install the baseboards. This is a battery-powered nail gun, and it's called the Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volts, very powerful, 1.5-inch brad nails, and the brad nails will go through the baseboards and into the wall. Load it up. Load it up like that, and then this is gonna load it. So this is like so the Airstrike, battery powered, and if you notice, there is a dial here for strength. This is the 18 volt lithium, 4 ampere hours use. I'm gonna go ahead and load it up. So here we go. Yeah. Let's talk about the different options when it comes to changing the flooring. There are laminate floors like this. This is a man-made wood, or it looks like wood flooring. Very budget friendly. It lasts a long time. It doesn't scratch easily. And the wear and tear on it is very good. Plus it's priced really, really well. The second version of this is the full hardwood floors. Now the full hardwood floors, they're a little bit more expensive. They look great. I think they look just as good as this, but it is a bigger investment. The question is not necessarily whether you want to or need to. The big question is, what is the ROI? ROI stands for return of investment. You always want to do or calculate the return of investment. So here is the actual formula to figure out what is my return of investment into replacing flooring. Now, mind you, this house and most houses in Florida, they are block homes. Block homes are basically homes that are built on a solid concrete block. That block sits on a piece of land, and then the home is built on top of it. Because it's built on a cement block, then the flooring is obviously cement. The other choices, other than laminate floors, other than hardwood floors, there is carpeting. How do you prep for the room? First, you want to clear everything that's on the flooring that may have fallen on the floor and created a bump. You want to remove the current baseboards and the nails that comes with that baseboard. Basically vacuum or clean up as best as you possibly can. Then you will add a layer that is a barrier between the cement and your laminate floor. This one was suggested for us, and then what you do is you basically lay down. Then you want to start installing it, and this is how we installed it. We'll get Chris to install. So one, if you notice, can you lift it up again? If you notice, the only way to insert that next board is to angle it. And by angling it, it closes up that gap. And then this piece here overlaps the next piece. And now to lock it in place, Christopher just gives it a good whack. And then of course, you could do extra and just step on it. This is going to be a very complex corner because you have a corner that's coming in and then you have a corner that's pointing out. So this cut here, this is what they call mitered cuts, where you're cutting one board, baseboard, to a certain 45-degree angle, and then your next board will be cut in the opposite 45-degree angle also. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Salamanca investment home. If you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions on maybe some future videos, please let me know. I'd like to understand what is it that you would like to see more of, or maybe a deeper explanation of. This is Nestor with Group 3. I hope you're doing well. Look forward to seeing your videos in the future. Again, take care, God bless, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.